Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can show or hide all notifications for Do Not Disturb on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on notifications. Next, go down to the bottom and tap on Do Not Disturb. Then swipe up to go down. At the bottom here, tap on Hide Notifications. And then at the top here, tap on the switch to turn on or turn off Hide All Notifications. Now you can see here, if I turn off, then on my status bar, it will show a notifications. And if I turn on, then it will hide all the notifications from the status bar. And that's it. So that's how you can turn it on or off, and this only applied when Do Not Disturb is turned on. If I turn off Do Not Disturb, you can see that even if I try to hide notifications, I still can get the notifications, because these settings only applied to Do Not Disturb. And that's it. So that's how you can show or hide all notifications on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.